Welcome to Skill Station 10. Today we will learn how to create a report with inspection data. As inspectors and assessors are in the field, they're collecting a lot of data. Today we are going to learn how to use Pulpstream to analyze that data. Let's start by exploring the options that are available on our stream summary page. Access your stream's management area. Go to your stream, and from the summary tab, we see our versions, and on the right side we'll see a gear icon, which you can click on and reveal a variety of options that are related to this stream. So right now we're interested in the Edit Details option. So let's click on that. Let's explore the options on this Edit Stream Details pop-up. Here, you can specify who can restart, abort, and delete the records created with the stream. Those would be administrators, which would be specified in this field under the administrator field title. You can search for users by manually typing their name in, or you can click on the magnifying glass to select a user that's already in your system. If you want to remove them, you X them out. The Available for Reporting option is enabled by default. Checking this box tells the Pulpstream engine that we want the stream to be available for analysis. So if you retire a stream, you should uncheck this box to prevent the stream's data from being included in a report. The Analyze Checklist Fields for Reporting option is for streams like our safety inspection stream that include checklist fields. It is specially designed for streams that collect audit, assessment, or inspection data. A dataset related to one of these stream types can have hundreds of observation requirements with answers such as yes, no, and not applicable. So when this option is enabled, Pulpstream starts to analyze this type of data and presents you with the options to create reports using these data types. So if your box is not checked, check the box to turn that option on. It is important to note that enabling this option will not trigger retroactive data inclusion. It will only include new records. So now that we've turned those options on, specified an administrator, let's save our changes. And to see our changes in action, we need some records to analyze. So let's create and submit 2 new inspections. Create one with today's date, provide a variety of observations in the inspection. Create and submit a second inspection, and give that inspection a date from a month ago, and also make it at a different location. I'll do this too so we can review our records together. To submit a new inspection, you just go home and click on Submit New Form and select the safety inspection form that we did. Go ahead and pause the video to do this on your own. Now that we have 2 records to analyze, we need to publish our stream. So to do that, you would go to your streams management area, get into your stream, go to your stream definition canvas, and in the upper right-hand corner here, you'll see a publish button. I already published my stream, and now it's your turn. After you've published your stream, let's access the Data Insights area by clicking on that Data Insights name in the purple navigation menu. From here, click on the Reports tab, then click on the New Report button. You may see a few types of reports that you can create here. So you will need to select the data that you want to include the report on this page, and we want to analyze safety inspections data, thus we shall choose safety inspections. And this takes us to our report wizard. The report wizard starts us on the Select Fields tab, and here we will select the fields that we want included in the report. So we are interested in inspection location, date created, total score, and status. If at any point you need help understanding what these fields are, hover your mouse over the question mark arrow icon to reveal an explanation. Next, we'll go to the Filter Data tab. And this is where we can add analysis filters. You can add as many filters as you like by clicking on this Add Another Filter button, and you can X them out on the right side by hovering over this row and Xing them out. So I want to see data about those 2 records that we created. And I specified that I inspected our San Francisco location and our Chicago location. So in our first fields pull-down menu, I will select Date Created. The operator will be a date function, and the value will be last 60 days so that we catch both of those 2 inspections. In the second field, I am interested in the inspection location. The operator will be equal to, and the value, I'm going to select our group to include all the inspections that were conducted in the group. Now, after setting those filters, we hit the Run button, and this takes you to a report preview. You will now see the 2 records that you created with the fields that you specified. You can export or print this data by clicking on the gear icon on the far right side of the report wizard, and in this pull-down menu, you could print it to Word or you could simply export it. And you can click on either one of these to drill down into the report details. You can go through the form itself to see the notes and see the photos and any corrective actions that were taken. You can also go to the detail record view by clicking on that button. And you can see all of the details as well as the milestone progress and the flow diagram if you are so inclined. And that's it. You have just learned how to use Pulpstream to create reports with your